If you're looking for a great cocktail smoker set, you're absolutely going to love this. We're going to go through everything that comes with it. So right off the bat here, we got your instruction guide. Instruction guides are really, really nice. This is going to be the actual device that you're going to use. We will turn this on in a second. This is going to be bubbles, so you could put bubbles in. So what you're going to do for bubbles, you put bubbles in the cap, dip that in, and you can put a bubble on a drink, which is really, really cool. We got these cartridges right here. You get 3 of them. So packaged really, really nice. So you're going to add your oil into here. And they come with 3 oils as well. And then this is going to be the cover that you're going to put on top. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this right here. You're going to put that in right just like that. So that is what it's going to look like after you added what you wanted to. Then you're going to put this on top right here. Then the back here, we have 2 different modes here. So you'll see here, it has the smoke right here, and then you also have the fan. If you press the fan here and you push this button right over here, you'll hear it start to go. This is great for the bubbles, and you could also do the smoke function right here, which you can see smoke is coming out. I put the lemon in. So if you're looking for a great cocktail smoker or for other foods, definitely check this out. And thanks to the brand for sending me this so I could try this.